Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
How's it?
Fine, thanks. How are you today, sir?
Good, thank you.
Fantastic. So good to hear from you.
Yeah, I'm feeling a bit rushed.
Oh, would you like to call again? I'll take longer answering this time.
Yeah, no, I'm Zuko.
Yes, well aware, Mr. Ndima. Thank you so much for calling. How can I help?
Wow, what did you say, mister?
Ndima.
That sounds so strange.
Why?
I mean, usually a person with your accent says Nadima. So I'm a bit shocked.
Don't worry, you're our only customer and I've been practicing.
Oh, what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Talitha.
Pleased to meet you, Talitha.
Thank you so much.
If you'd just put down the phone, come outside. I've got a live crew waiting outside for us to use you on a new show that we have called The Bling Line.
Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to leave the premises.
Hectic.
All right, well, is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thanks.
All right, always
Please
a pleasure.
send me the survey.
Always a pleasure. Bye.
Bye.
Welcome to it, the Bling Line.
What's up, everybody? You know what it is.
And if it's your first time, we read your comments and we comment on them. If you want your comment to be read, just send it through and it's going to be in the lucky draw because not all the comments get read.
100%.
Yeah.
We generally, I don't know what the criteria is that we use to go through our comments, but our content director, Talita, I'm sure can delve a little bit deeper into that.
Well, the criteria I use is, firstly, is it informative? Secondly, is it funny?
Mm-hmm.
Thirdly, has someone else said it? If not, it'll probably come in. So there's lots of repetition. So we can't repeat all the Bonga Bantu who are telling us, no, this is what this means.
Yeah. Maybe we should have one episode where we choose all the comments that weren't chosen. I want to see something.
We'll just be reading the same thing.
No. But Talita said, thank you guys for the comments. Yeah, I'm the one who mostly responds to the comments on
YouTube,
Spotify, as well as YouTube. But yeah, thank you so much. I often have a bit of trouble, but I try to get it to as many as I can.
You do very well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Shall we get into it?
Yeah, for sure. Let's get straight into it. Usnalo.
Wait, kuthiwa imama is a ntombazana emfitshane. Thina bade sikukhi.
Those two words are so far apart.
But I thought it was so funny.
Snalo Qunu 9232. Uti, these donut shops by the gym are such a trap. Ndiyacimela mna xa ndiphuma ejimini. You go, girl.
Also, that's so wild. You know, when I read this, I was like, oh, you know, but the people who own the gym own the donut shop because how? So they can just keep us going.
Or the people who own the donut shop make sure that they want to be next to the gym. So that when you walk out there, we come, yeah, I know, I feel good. I deserve a treat.
That's a weird thing to do as a donut shop owner.
What do you mean? Don't you deserve a treat?
No.
Don't you think you deserve a treat?
No.
Flo has strafisha when okokoko.
Hey,
I feel like I deserve a treat.
like a donut.
Yeah.
Oh no. Then you're literally taking away all the work you just did.
So I'm falling out on zero and break even.
Okay.
Better than eating a donut and not going to the gym.
You know what? I always say I gym so that I can eat whatever I want.
Exactly.
So fair enough.
Fair.
Is this me? Did I do this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. Okay. SJ says I watch every single episode. Kanti comments ziba from one episode before the latest one. Okwenzekani? Because ingqondo yami soloka ilindele ba nizoxikika the latest one. I don't understand, please.
Yeah, so what they're saying is that when they are going to watch this episode,
Mm.
there will be another episode that will be out already.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
So, for example,
Oh, okay.
I need imzekelo le. I think it's self-explanatory.
Yeah, so it'll be the one before. So,
Yes.
So because Blingland comes out, let's say on YouTube, it comes out on Sunday,
Yeah.
right?
No, on Spotify it comes out on Thursday.
Yeah, I know, but that's not what I'm saying.
Okay, but let's talk about it on Spotify.
Okay, fine. So on Spotify, it comes out on Thursday. So that episode will have been from last week's episode,
Yes, correct.
not the episode that came out on Tuesday.
Correct, because the episode that came out on Tuesday will not have
Come
had
out on
enough
YouTube yet.
comments.
Because it wouldn't have come out on YouTube yet.
Oh, the comments on Spotify will be few.
Yeah, Zibai 5, 6.
Yeah, so most of the traffic you're getting after a couple of days.
Yeah, okay. So it's the one before Chomyam. I hope you figured it out.
Correct,
the
yeah.
way we've explained it.
Yeah, and that's just simply based on the fact that people will then start commenting more after a couple. Well, you'll have enough comments after a couple of days.
Yeah. Thanks, SJ, for that.
Yes, on Spotify. Sinokuhle Zwinye says Nklimpinika crying. Iyandixoza ke lando vele bengase dimhleke umntu. Just cry, man. Unklimpinika. Because that thing is funny.
What is Nklimpinika in English?
Unklimpinika. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what it is in English. But unklimpinika kaloku unklimpinika because you don't want to cry.
Yes, you're trying to prevent yourself from crying.
Yes, so you're trying to hold it in. So ke ngoku it's your body fighting. It's your body fighting your mind. Xa umuntu enklimpinika kulwa ingqondo nomzimba. Because umzimba sezinikezela ba okay siyalila oku. Cha ingqondo yakho sulila so fancy facial expressions on Nklimpinika.
But I also feel like Nklimpinika, whether they want to, like whether, like if they also just like, I'm gonna cry, uyakwazi Nklimpinika.
Nklimpinika is the fight.
What is the word for English?
I
Nklimpinika?
don't know. But Nklimpinika is the fight.
I've never thought of it that way. I just thought it was a natural thing that just happened before you cried.
No. Kaloku, you can also, there's a thing called bursting into tears. Nklimpinika is a slow process of you starting to cry.
Please give me an example of bursting into tears.
I don't understand what you're asking me to do.
Like, yenza ngathi uyabhesta into tears.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
I can't believe you did it. He literally like, is this a trap? Okay, let me walk into it. Okay, cool. So Kaulila Ludi, yo.
Evelyn. Okay, you buy a glass for but Nklimpinika oko.
Ukunklimpinike.
You're just about to burst into tears if you keep continuing like this.
I don't think I've ever burst into tears. Do you think you have? Really?
No.
No.
No, not into tears, no.
I can't imagine what burst into what if not into tears.
No, don't burst into tears. Come on, funny. Ipila.
Pillar of strength.
God, ithanga lingaki kodwa.
Simelanga umcinga.
Ithanga le marathon kodwa wena uyipila.
All right.
Anyways.
Thank you, Snokuhle. Uthi umantele Kitane. I'm not Xhosa, but I love it here.
We love it here for you.
For you. 100%. I mean, we were talking about language just now as well, and how, we speak a lot of Xhosa on the show.
Yeah.
And
a lot of untolikable Xhosa as well.
Why do you have so much gas?
Oh, leave me alone, bruh.
Sorry.
Hey, Ungas is gonna have me now in an economic indicator. No, it's because I got paid last week. So imali yam ndikholoba mayibela lapha kum yonke. So thanks for showing people my economic situation.
Check where you 450. It's the 2nd of September.
The average person the last 5 days for salary.
Oh,
You
that's
know.
wild.
Yeah.
And then what do you do for the rest of the days?
Uyaboleka kaloku for deep into. Nazo crazy cards. Nazi no RCS no. Wena mntu ngenamatyala fona uphila njani? Uphila njani?
Disaster.
Dog, uphila njani?
By the grace of
You
God.
like the do you live below, do you feel like you live below your means?
Yes, I have to.
How?
You just don't do everything I want to do.
Teach me how to dance.
You just don't do things that I want to do.
Yes, Rafish, I here to stuff.
It's better than being in debt, that's for sure.
Say that again. Say that again.
Mm.
We love it for you here, Mandele. How we got into money after this comment, I have no idea. But thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Shout out to you.
Uthi uziyanda Matomane. I know isiqhiphoti as umntu omdala, and we usually refer to a man. So, for example, you would say, Utalita, don't use me an example. Utalita unesinye isiqhiphoti ke sana. So,
As in umntu omdala.
yeah,
Okay.
so yichap nje endala. We would even add igqibhela.
Sure, iqhibhela yonkwenkwe endala.
What does that mean?
You know?
Inkwenkwe endala.
Inkwenkwe endala kaloku sentsho iRodman from part 20s ayolukanga.
Oh.
Inkwenkwe endala le.
Unelinye
Ixiba.
Mm.
Oh, sorry. Qhubezela dog.
Unelinye igqibhela lesixhiphoti.
You are sana ngathi une disease. Une disease. Talita une disease.
In human form.
Sana.
So this is interesting because some other people have another explanation for this.
Yes.
And apparently your explanation was wrong
Of what?
of his report because you were saying it's someone hairy.
Okay.
Then we were saying, are they hairy babies? Like we had a whole conversation about hairy people.
Okay. Sure. I admit.
So this person says it's clipoti ngumuntu omdala, which I don't know. I mean, I don't know what the word means. But according to how many people were saying it's something else, it seems as though this might not be exactly true.
As fun as Xhosa zethu, because as I mentioned as well about igqibhela mna ndilazi as igqib. But yeah, it could also be depending on the area yakho.
Yeah, because it's all derived from the same word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amangamla alisebenzisela kam area.
What area?
I find it so funny that there's English words that we use which English-speaking people don't use.
They do.
Area.
What area are you from?
Okay.
Yeah.
My area.
Our area.
It only happens in my area.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Maybe it's an exposure thing on my side.
Maybe.
Thanks for that, Zianda. Fezek Amkize Uti, you guys dressed up on episode 20. In that episode, Talita said that it was the end of season 2. So I guess this is the end of season 9.
How are you counting?
How are we on season 9?
Because we're on like 90. So each season has 10 episodes.
This is Zama. We're on season 3.
But according,
like we've been pumping the episodes in season 3.
Yeah, this is the thing. So it was the end of season 2, episode 20. That's what we said, which means season 1 had 10 episodes and season 2 had 10 episodes.
Oh, yeah, I'm a pass because we dressed up on episode 20. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. This is funny, dog.
I know.
Season 3 now 70 episodes, guys. Basically, that's what we're trying to get at this point. I've always ended the seasons with the year. So season 1 was 2023. Season 2, 2024. Season 3.
Oh.
We're sibling driver show.
I don't like that.
Ne?
No.
Or it's been when we take a break. Yeah, we haven't been on a break. See, this is a problem.
Yeah, true. So as we can't take a season.
Yeah.
Something interesting about episodes. Did you know that Mr. Bean only had 15 episodes?
Ask the question.
What?
Don't tell them the answer.
No. But I mean, I can ask it and then someone can just look it up.
Yeah, but that's
Mr.
not
Bean
how our
only
crowd
had
is.
15 episodes.
That's crazy. Oh, Tadai had 15 episodes. In the history of Mr. Bean, there's only been 15 episodes.
Besibukela Mr. Bean okokoko.
Sibukela Mr. Bean okokoko, but Mr. Bean just shot that thing in a week. Yasicela Mr. Bean. Loved it. But also, I mean, yeah, it spoke to all of us, man. What's your favorite Mr. Bean episode?
I don't know, Brie. What's your favorite?
The one where he went to the castle.
What, Tilba?
Then he was messing around with the gods.
What? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool story, buddy. Thanks.
Thanks, Mr. Bean, for raising us. Siyabulela Makaula Uti. Do a show in JHB venue. You? Do a show in a Johannesburg venue, but also stream it live for your 100th episode.
Dick.
Sizakusendela i-banking details, siyabulela. A show, we'd love to do a show. Shows are expensive, man. Guys, see, this is the whole trick about this whole thing. So everything is expensive. Streaming it is going to be expensive. The show in itself is expensive. That's why we're kind of trying new things in order to be able to create a bit of revenue so that we've got the money to do these things. So I think more than anything else for us, it's really a partner thing. And because we know you guys are definitely going to pull up. And every time you pull up, it's a gunta. So, yeah, tricky. Very tricky, that one.
But ikondezayo.
Yeah, ikondezayo.
Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
Yeah, ikondezayo, definitely. But yeah, for episode number 100.
Yeah, it'll be after episode 100.
Gonna need some energy, ugly guy. Energy.
After. Might be, yeah.
Yeah, because we've got, what, 9 weeks now? 9 weeks to go. For an episode 93.
So. All right, cool. Thanks, Yabulela, for your suggestion.
Yabulela.
Ulona Uti, I was watching for the first time. LOL, I was so exciting. I'm also just listening because I see the episodes and the same sebenzini, and I'd be like, I'm not gonna wait to go home.
Yeah.
That's so wild because we all like. I think because our first medium was to watch, like our first episodes, our medium was a video only medium. Well, I mean, you could listen, but it was a video medium. Otiena, she hasn't been watching, she'd been listening.
Oh. Isn't this a Spotify thing?
Yeah.
So maybe it's because on Spotify, a lot of people didn't know about the video functionality on Spotify.
Yeah.
So
same thing.
Yeah, if that was the case, then it was that's why it was listening. But yeah, I mean, I have plugged you guys most now. There's the video on Spotify.
100%.
Yeah. So yeah, it makes perfect sense. What are you thinking?
No, I'm just thinking, man, I don't listen. I like to watch.
Really? Now I consume most of podcast stuff on the way to work, the way back from work.
Really?
Audiobooks as well on the way to work, on the way back from work. That's when I'll consume. It's difficult for me to sit there and watch. Do you watch any other podcasts outside of ours? Do you? Not. So that's why. So that's why you're like that, because you don't watch podcasts.
Yeah,
you don't watch podcasts anyways.
Yeah. When I'm in the car, it's radio time. That's the only time I listen to the radio.
Yeah. Bona ke andimameli mna at all. Yeah.
Each to its own.
Yeah, no, 100%. So, okay, yeah, no. Lona, we get that. Tuto M. Uti. Tali, my close circle knows about my monthlies because I complain every single month. Eventually, when you figure it out, you complain. I have different symptoms every month.
That's
Imbi.
wild.
But yeah, chat to your friends about it. It's comforting. These questions is gata stressed.
Yeah, I'm still not about it, eh?
About what?
Chatting to my homies.
Yeah, bro, I think it helps, bro. I really definitely think it will help every one of you.
I don't think it'll help. It's
It helped you, didn't it? Oh no, you chatted to a boy.
Intweni nje?
Just khona lando ba.
Just relief.
Yes, uyikhupha apha kuwe screen, guys. Yes, it really helps into ethetha uyikhuphe apha kuwe screen. But you know what? I'm really feeling like crap, right? And ziva grandy, whatever. It just helps. Because now when you internalize it, it has to go sit somewhere. This is the thing. It will go sit somewhere in your body and you just end up feeling a lot worse or whatever.
I think about like our great grandmothers. We know so much about like periods now that we didn't know before.
What didn't we know before?
Into yoba ilanduka i-hormones zakho ziya-affectwa yile nto before we were just going through it.
Yeah, but I feel like if it's changed, it's maybe gotten worse, right?
Why?
Because things generally have gotten worse in terms of how we experience things in life in general. They've generally gotten worse because of what we eat, because our hormones also are completely bugged up
True.
anyways. So it's probably gotten worse. But same grandmothers or great-grandmothers are the same great-grandmothers that were giving birth at home. These people understood more than we do.
True.
Actually. So I think everything that we know now, they definitely knew. And they definitely had ways of dealing with it, which weren't passed down because they clever. So for me, I feel like they were probably in a better place.
Yeah, because it was also coming from a natural place.
Exactly.
Yeah, things had like natural explanations, not by whatever it is that we do.
And I mean, Tina, we're so lazy to understand things as well. This is the whole thing. I mean, we use an app to track your cycle. Is that a joke? I mean, it's helpful. It's helpful, but I mean...
People were using the moon, bro.
That's what people were using things and being a lot more cognizant of how they feel and all of that kind of stuff, I'm sure.
Kungekho busy gqithi umuntu ba ngapha funeka yobhatala Telkom ngapha funeka.
Ke andiyazi ke ngokuleyo ngoba
just busyness.
Sazingekho i-just girl ngoku.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Tuto.
Jabs Kumalo uti OMG, I have watched so many episodes I didn't even realize I was not subscribed. Wow. Joe Soren, I love you guys. Jabs, bro. That feels like a knife
Stab
in the back
throat.
of my throat. Wild. Thanks for owning up though. And I do absolutely assume that you are now there.
Yes. And the reason why I put this up because I was like, I wonder how many people watch all the time and unsubscribe.
But now how does it come into your thing?
Yeah, Kangela.
Oh, okay. Oh, you don't rely on the notification to say that another episode has dropped.
Yeah, but also if you watch something often enough, it comes up in your timeline.
True.
Yeah.
Hey, nisesengathi there's a channel incognito enisibukelayo.
Incognito.
There's a channel funeka yazi wemntu uyayibukela.
Oh. Yeah. Guys, please, if you are watching this, and I'll kosho about subscribe.
Please, man,
Checkisha.
checkisha. Yeah, no, for sure. Thanks for that, chaps. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the bell and share. Most importantly,
Uthi, your favorite, Ngasi. Ngasi's become like the third contributor here. Me and you being 1 and 2. Undingamisile directly would indeed probably be you made me give up, which makes so much sense. Or you've orchestrated my risk.
Son.
You've orchestrated.
Your orchestra. Orchestra of candles.
And those candles aren't even real.
Oh, the candle's not real?
No.
You are lying. No. Did you go?
No, I saw someone make a video and say, we came here for orchestra candles and the candles weren't real.
Sis Bani.
That look like candles, but they aren't real. The whole fire hazard. Why would you call your thing that? Oh. That's so wild.
I'd be so mad.
Why, dog? No, because what are the candles doing for you that lights aren't?
The ambulance funding.
Don't let you.
Ambiance. Oh, tell it. Can't teach you everything.
But they look like candles. This is the thing. AI candles. Okay, guys.
Are the people playing the instruments real?
I certainly hope so. Okay.
Are you telling me that when they say tribute to Adele, it's not Adele performing?
No. You can't perform at your own tribute. They are tributing to you.
Okay.
Okay. Uningamisile directly would indeed probably be you made me give up, or you've orchestrated my resignation, if you want to be poetic that day.
There we go. Sure, thanks, Lauren here.
The trick with language is that it's often to be interpreted and not translated so as to retain the intended meaning and impact. I love that sentence. In short, things must not be devoid of their context. For example, given the explanation Sistali gave of one essentially being left confused when putting it to English, a few options come to mind. You've perplexed or baffled or bemused me. Focus of the feeling of being so lost by what you're hearing that it stops you in your tracks.
Dead in your tracks.
Yeah, that's a good one. The trick with language is that it's often to be interpreted and not translated.
Fair. Yeah, fair.
What's the difference between interpret and translate? Utranslator and don't get close. Utolika. And interpret
and not translated. Interpret is to talk more of what it
through the
meaning. What does it mean? Not what is it saying in the language.
In another language.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yo, nzoli jolile.
You've made me give up. I love that. I think that's the perfect explanation for that.
Yeah, which is also kind of like a translation. Not
an interpretation.
I mean, I'm just saying, give up. Yeah. But yeah, it works perfectly.
But you'll never hear someone say, "You've made me give up."
No. Yes. Directly. That's why I said directly.
We're all on the same page. Thanks again, Ngasi, for your contribution.
Hundreds.
Ukubukho bakho is a joy.
Yeah. Balungile Malusi 1663 Tamzubela. Not ukuqaba amabhabhathane sana. Nani wabanjani?
Why ufike biwe amabhabhathane?
No, uwaba not uwashera. Kwaba. Uyeba. Siyabelana.
Wow.
You catch your own, bro. So to answer your question, how did we share them? So we used to catch your own. Nangubamba elako ibhabhathane or awakho amabhabhathane.
For your
Koloka
own.
ni problem zingake zethu singafani. Omnye mhlambi yena yayisays khona mhlambi ikrilekis ezinye ziseyelo ezakuthi azizelanga. You understand? So wawuzibambela fondini ugqibo udile ngezakho ke ingxaki ukuba hairy kuthiwa kuba xhondi I think isixiphoti is a huge man it's giving scorer kisinatla Sweri kisinatla
Ngwana bathu.
yabo giving scorer vibes and it only refers to a man.
Yeah, so you can't say isixhiphoti intombazana.
Okay, ayikwazi ba intombazana isixhiphoti. Okay. Yeah. I can work with that.
Huge man. Do you know any isixhiphotis in your life?
Mm,
But people use that outside of that though. Don't they?
I don't know. Do they use it correctly? That's the question. Hey, spitile ke ligama. Alitile ngathi straight lacikile xasana lam.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks for that Malusi.
Asisi Popita says, "Oh, kondikuza but sifunda sidlala." Ukuncamisa is equal to kiss. Undincamisile is isithetha ntonye. In other words, a synonym of andikholelwa. Meaning, xa ndisithi undincamisile, you can't believe it has been done or heard.
Fair.
Right? I heard someone say xhanxasholo. Alikho igama linje.
Wah!
All right, Asisipo. The name is xhonxosholo, meaning untidy.
Hey, Peter. Sifunda sidlala. Itsho top le message.
Did I also hear?
Bam desinethile fondini. Yeah. Yeah.
Did I also hear?
Did I also hear it's giving gaslighting? Yazazi uyivile.
Rewind waphinda
Thini
wayiva.
Peter?
The actual word is isixhaphothi,
Yes, sana lam.
which is indeed directed to a man with a lot of beard. Shout out to Damzu.
Sha for a change.
Isiqhonti, the word is
Sikho ke sona Tom.
asikho. Is xhonti. Yo, uxhonti uphopho, meaning that person is hairy. And I remember the rest of this. And babies can also be hairy. She said.
Aha, hairy babies. Very nice.
Okay, cool. So you were right, according to her.
You're damn straight.
But it's xhaphothi. I've never heard anyone say that.
Yeah, nam naqala uyiva le. Xhanxasholo, love it.
Yeah, man. And if I wouldn't know the difference, like I could hear both and be like, okay, I know what that
yes, correct.
is. Uxhonxosholo apha.
It's the Mandela effect.
Yeah, literally. Literally, either one is right. Thanks for that. Asisipusasela lapha ezi zinto caba.
Asisipho khawusixelele a little bit about your history, Sencho.
Sizokuheadhunter.
Uyayiva. Like,
Why do you know
that's
so
very
much?
interesting. I'm so super impressed with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Dope. Lubanzi April uthi undincamisile means you've defeated me. Yeah.
What was that first explanation?
Led me to give up. Which first explanation?
That one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, fair. Again, interpretation, not translation. Love that. I can definitely, I'm happy with it.
David Dunn, our very own David Dunn says, I don't know how to calculate or determine who the biggest fan is of your channel, but I have been the first viewer of every single episode. I have been the first viewer of every single episode since episode 50. Might have missed 2 or 3 here and there, but seriously, since episode 50. First viewer, guys. Come on, doc. Probably our only white viewer.
Oh, man. Unsung heroes. And that's his real profile picture. That's what it looks like.
That's actually David. David is our editor, one of our editors.
Oh, man.
And
Shout out, D-Money.
yes, he's been at work. That's why he's been the first viewer of every single episode. But
That
he's
is
also the
excellent.
voice behind the causaness of it all. Love you, David.
Dave, like, we part of the show. Like, is he aware?
Yeah, he's our ghost man.
Imagine. Okay, we'll call you Casper from now on.
Dave is the coolest.
Not in your vest. Guiba Jojozi. Hello, blings. This is totally unrelated to anything you guys spoke about.
Love it.
I am a mommy to a 3-year-old baby girl. So we always watch the episodes together. One time, Kwavela a short, Apo Uzuko was saying, Abahlali, Naba, Abahlali. And I burst out laughing. So we watched the short over and over. Now every time she hears Zuko's voice, Mama, wait, Mama, Naba, Abahlali. Oh no. And 3 is so cute. Oh, 3 is so cute.
Yeah, 3 is adorable.
Betuna is the cutest things ever. I enjoy your episodes. That's really sweet.
That is so cute. I was just like, if that little kid had to see you out in the streets, Angati, Mama nama bahlali.
That's beautiful. Kids are cute. I've got a friend of mine who's got a kid. She's turning 3 in November. She was born 3 days after me. And she's like,
3 is that age, bro.
oh, man.
I went to a 3-year-old's birthday party last week. I didn't want to leave.
Dog.
Didn't want to go.
That's very, very sweet.
At Dwabs.
Yeah, thank you for sharing that.
The Rookie episodes says, for the 100th episodes, let listeners take over a segment of the show by submitting stories about their own siblings, rivalries, or thriving journeys since listening to to you guys.
You might be onto something.
You, Mr. Ricky.
You might be onto something. Journeys since listening to you guys. I like that. To really kind of like
tie it up
and also just like really recognize some of what we do, how the effect that it's had on other people out there.
That'll be really nice. So if you guys have any stories of that nature,
I think we'll have to, let's also have a call out, proper call out.
Yeah, for sure. And then do we want them to email them rather than put them on the comment?
Yeah. Want them to voice note them.
Oh. Phone kabani yakho.
Yeah, phone yami igcwele yazi ba ne-problem memory. Thenge iphone. That's how you fix the problem ye-phone egcweleyo, guys. By the way, buy another one.
Not deleting.
Ate phela September, ubusithi September dump. It's 1 week worth of content. The content that you took today doesn't work.
I posted a picture of myself at the gym this week and it was so fuzzy. And I was just like, I wonder abantu ababukela i-content yam xa ndiposta abacinga uba I wonder if but no one's saying anything. No one's offering a helping hand.
Yes, we're helping hand by doing, but when ungapamisana sakho yatsho ikhona yakho andiyithandi afuna telephone. Come on.
Okanye ubuze ngoba hayi bo Chomi into ungayisuli ke or something.
Uyayazi for lo mntu lowo uba noba ungayisula uyisula.
Wild times. This is a great idea. I think we should definitely take this idea.
I think this is workshop penyana. And then we can kind of move it from there. Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much, Ruki. You are the best. So it is what it is.
I guess that's the end of the show then.
And the board today reads, there is no door, comrade. You'll read the last part.
What's that?
Guys, thank you so much.
The people here hate us.
Thank you so much, guys. It's been an amazing show. Thank you for the corrections.
Yes,
thank you for
love
the learnings.
Those.
Thank you for the advices. Thank you guys for being here. It's really incredible to be a part of your family.
100%. And we'll check you again next week. If you guys have any other suggestions that you have for how we should celebrate our 100th episodes, please keep them coming. We are also very open to the ideas, and maybe we'll do more than 1 or 2 or 3.
There we go.
See you next
Sibling
week.
rivalry out. Bye.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.